Okay, I wanted to show you how you can download the files that I push to GitLab myself. So when you go to your GitLab page, now you will see that I have a whole bunch of things there, actually one for each of you as well as my own. You should probably see just one for yourself and one for me. So click on mine, and that should take you to a page like this. They encourage you to use Secure Shell for whatever reason, and if you know how to do that, that's fine, but if you just open that up and change to HTTPS, and then what you'll do is authenticate with your NPS credentials. So copy that to your clipboard, and then go back to NetBeans, and then you can do it from a couple of places, but if you do like a team clone, it will bring up a page, and then if it's not there, paste in the URL that you've created, and this should be the one that says ABUS in it, not yours. However, the user you specify should be your NPS login. Give your NPS password. You can save it. You can choose the destination folder. I'm actually just putting it in a temporary place because I already have this checked out elsewhere. But then when you go next, you should see something like this. And if it's not checked, then you can either check it or select all. Either way, click on next. And just as one last check before, we have the parent directory. Again, yours will probably be your username and then NetBeans project. The clone name, for whatever reason, they give it in lowercase. We can change that to uppercase, which I would prefer, but that doesn't matter. Checkout branch, master, that's the only one that's there. Remote name origin, and then scan for NetBeans after clone. The defaults are perfectly fine. Then click Finish, and it says, do you want to open the project? So let's open it up, and then you will see what I have. And what will distinguish mine from yours is that my project is called class code, whereas yours is probably just CS2173. But this will have everything that I have created and pushed in class to it. So you see there's the hello world, and the pet cemetery or whatever that was. Okay, so from now on, when you don't, the clone is something you only do once. So if you want to update it, now the update is something called a pull. So to do that, right-click on the CS, Git remote pull, and again, it'll let you select a configured Git repository location. Do that one. Again, this links the remote branches, and then we're done. In this case, there was nothing to update. In fact, if we look at our output file, you see that there was no update. But the output window actually gives you what the Git command line options are. In fact, Git itself is a command line application, and NetBeans just kind of wraps an application around that, and GitLab wraps a web application around that. So that is how you get the remote stuff that I have.